Say bye. Alright guys, good morning, what's up? Still sick. Still planning on surfing Tahoe tomorrow. Just kind of hanging out at home. Dietra had to run a couple errands. I'm kind of too sick. Like if today was tomorrow, I might be too sick to surf Tahoe. But I think I'm gonna go for it. So yeah, gotta work again today. But I talked to my boss and asked if I could work a shorter shift today, like 6 hours instead of 8, because it seems like the night is the worst for whatever I have right now. It just gets really bad after like 6 or 7 p.m. So, and last night I was just miserable. My last 2 hours at work, I couldn't even talk to customers or anything. So yeah, I asked him if it'd be cool if I just dipped out at 5:30 or 6, and he said that was fine. So get a little more rest for tomorrow. And other than that, it's on. Looks like the waves are gonna start pumping around noon tomorrow. John's not gonna be up there until like 4 or 5. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go at like 2, maybe 1 or 2. Get up there, surf a little bit, maybe find a good spot, and then just keep in contact with him and let him know where I'm at. So that way we can just get a straight session by the time he gets up there. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. And yeah, thanks for watching. Heading to work for the day. Not much to speak of today, just kind of relaxing again, trying to get better. My throat's starting to give out again. I'm working a short shift tonight. Yeah, just gonna try and do what I can, get out of there, rest again tonight, and then tomorrow it's on. Every time I try and like have a day to work on these paddle boards in my backyard, it's just something goes wrong. It's getting really frustrating. Like either the weather turns to garbage, or like I just am sick, or you know, or I don't have time, I'm doing something else that needs to happen, or other priorities. It's getting old. So hopefully I can work on a board tomorrow and get that, at least one of the boards finished up, or lay some resin in the other board. But yeah, definitely gonna try and do that this weekend. Alright guys, what's up? I can't really talk right now. My throat's killing me. I just wanted to say, super weird day. The wind is howling. We have like 46 mile an hour gusts, 25 to 28 mile an hour sustained up in Tahoe. No waves. We don't know what's going on. John's up there right now. He says it's flat. The webcams were showing Kings Beach and Tahoe Vista. Very, very small waves, if any. And like we were talking, he was wondering whether or not he should even go. And I don't know what's going on. I could have sworn there would be waves on the... See, the problem is there's no webcams for Sand Harbor or anything in Nevada, really. There's like one camera that's like a still shot camera that updates every once in a while, and it's like not even the exposed part of Sand Harbor. It's like in the bay where the boat docks are. Hurts to swallow right now. So anyways, he's saying incline to Sand Harbor, nothing. So we're just like so confused right now. What is happening? Like the data shows that there should be waves, but there's no waves. Just can't figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get some rest, guys. Hopefully this isn't the case tomorrow. Today was supposed to be the bigger day of the two of them. So if this is going on tomorrow, I definitely won't be going. which is kind of sad because I really want to get some waves. Despite how sick I am, I'm still down to go. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Pray for waves. See you guys tomorrow.